The best method to make money, follow these simple guidelines. A viable person that can buy, aka an interest group. A problem that is known, aka what is this person's or group's problem. Next, a possible solution. Can you provide the solution to this problem? A way to sell the solution to the viable person. This is a very simple thing, but it works. As long as there's a person or people that has a problem that you know of, and you can provide the solution to that problem, and as long as you have a way to deliver that solution to that person that has the problem, you can make money. It's very simple. This is why mechanic shops make money. People have a problem. The way that they solve it is by taking their vehicle to the mechanic shop that has the solution to their problem. Thus, they're able to also make money because they transact money right there at the shop. So there's different ways to do this, but if you want to focus more on like internet stuff, the way to do that is usually with like running ads or with a more organic or ad-free method. But check out 40inbox.com, master your money, personal finance lessons and courses, want to make money online, or learn the 4 steps to make money online in the description.